Hey, I got some good news. I know some of you we had to turn away because we've reached the maximum number of seats at the AirCrete and Cast Earth Building Workshop this April 1st. But we have a student named Juan who is unable to attend, and he would love to sell you his ticket. So if you would like to get in now, even though it's kind of short notice, you're more than welcome, and we'll do anything we can to accommodate you and get you in here. And if maybe even this April 1st is a little too short for you to get that ticket, then you would be able to use that ticket at the October workshop. And just to help one out, I'm willing to let you take his ticket and convert it to a private workshop that you can schedule anytime that is good for your schedule, and we'll work one-on-one and teach you the skills you want to learn. So if this is something that you want to do, then click the link below in the description. We're just going to skip the web page for this particular one and go straight to purchase Juan's ticket. Like I said, I know Juan would really appreciate this, so he could have some traveling money. And so I look forward to seeing you guys at the workshop.